We're gonna draw two ovals, or I guess I should say upside down U shapes, not fully ovals. Then we can go ahead and add that part on the bottom. And then we're gonna draw a semicircle in each eye. And then another circle. And then we'll draw one more semicircle. Yeah, and then we'll go ahead and color that in. We'll color this one in too. You guys can take your time coloring it in. It is no rush. I would rather you guys take your time and do a good job and instead of worrying about that. So whenever you are done, we can go ahead and start drawing the muzzle. So the muzzle is not quite like any dog we've drawn before on this channel. The Bulldog has kind of like a, I guess you'd say a wrinkly, floppy muzzle. So keep that in mind when we're drawing this. So the nose is a big rounded triangle, and we're gonna make the nose shiny, so we added this little oval, and then we're gonna color it in. Then we're done coloring it in, we're gonna start drawing that droopy, floppy mouth. So here's the mouth. I'm gonna add 3 little dots to each side. 3 little dots. And then the tongue. And we can go ahead and draw the chin. Then we can draw the sides of the face. And then we have the ears. So as you can see, it's kind of a triangle shape, a little bit wavy and wiggly on the top, goes down, curves in. Then there's this little shadow that we have to color in to make the ears. And the top of his head's a little lumpy, so we're gonna draw these 2 divots right there. And then his forehead is also gonna have some wrinkles because Bulldogs just have a lot of wrinkles going on. So there's 2 wrinkles, and then here's some more on the top. And there we have it. There's the face, there's the head. We're gonna move on to the body. Oh, let's add another wrinkle. I mean, you can add even more wrinkles than this if you really want to. And then we're gonna start with the body. So here's the neck. 2 slightly wavy lines. And then out from the neck, we're gonna draw the arm. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side too. Then we're gonna draw the inside part of the leg, which connects and then forms the paw. And then we're gonna draw 2 little lines for the toes there, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then once you're done with that, we have the front legs all done, and then all we gotta do is do the back legs and the tail, and then we're done. So we're gonna draw this line right here. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side too in just a minute. And then we're gonna draw this curved line, another curved line, and then the 2 curved lines for the toes. Repeat that here, curved line. There's a lot of curved lines in this drawing. Add that for the bottom there. Curved line. goes in. Curved line around here for the paw. And then line, line. Then we need the tail. So curved line, and we are all done. So I decided to give my bulldog some brown spots, but you can color yours however you'd like. Thanks so much for following along. Bye guys.